Hello dear students of class 6 English Specials, how are you all? Hope that all of you are very well and safe also. Dear students, in my last class we did our class on geometry, and I have done the up to 3 number on exercise 6.1, and today I am going to start the next two parts, next two questions on that exercise, that is on exercise 6.1. And today is the second class on 6.1, and on geometry today is the fifth class. Okay dear students, so dear students, let's start the class. Dear students, question number 4 is given that the general enunciation is, this question is to prove that the bisectors of the vertically opposite angles is a straight line. Dear students, again I am reading the general enunciations. Okay, that is to prove that is we have to prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove that the bisector of the vertically opposite angles, we know better who are the vertically opposite angles, is a straight line. So any two vertically opposite angles bisectors will be the straight line. This one you have to prove. Okay. So, dear students, I have drawn the figure over here. That is, suppose that AB and CD are two straight line and intersect each other at point O. Then, here is formed that AOD, the vertically opposite of COB, sorry. So, they are the vertically opposite angle, and AOC and BOD also be the vertically opposite angle. That is, they are the here formed two pair. This is the one pair and this is the another pair of vertically opposite angle formed. Okay. So the particular enunciation is this: let the straight line AB and CD intersect each other at point O, whatever we have drawn on the board. Same way you have to draw that one in your copy also. Then AOD and COB and AOC and BOD are pair of vertically opposite angles. Okay. Suppose the bisector of AOD and bisector of COB are OM and ON. Okay, dear student. Dear students, you can bisect these two vertically opposite angles also. This one also you can prove. Okay, you can draw a bisector of these two vertically opposite angles. You can prove that theorem, this theorem. Okay, so this we are using. Bisect these two angles. But if you want, you can bisect these two angles also. These two vertically opposite angles. Okay. So, we have to prove that OM and ON lie on the same lines. OM and ON lie on the same lines. In figure we are seeing. But now, in proof, in explanations, we will prove that these are the straight line. Okay. So, dear students, now I am going to erase the board. Now I am going to erase the board for you. Just I am keeping the figure. And I am going to start my proof now. So, prove that. The proving is what? Let's do proof. Okay. So, AOD and COB are COB vertically opposite angles. Clear? So, according to the rules, we know that the vertically opposite angles will be the same. That is, AOD equals to COB. Again, OM AOD, angle AOD bisect OM. Dear students, I'm going to erase again the statements. I can erase the bisectors of AOD BOM. Okay, and that is what DOM, angle DOM equals to half of AOD. Clear, dear student? Dear students, you can ask me one question. That is, ma'am, if OM bisect AOD angles, so this and this are the same. So why you didn't write AOM? Why did you write DOM? Dear students, if you want, you can write AOM also. But on that time, it's my destination is this. I have to prove that they are the OM and one of the straight line. That's why I just choose this angle. If you will choose this angle, on that time you will draw this line. That is, you have to let me finish the total part at first, then I will make clear why did I choose this angle, why I am not writing this angle. But if you will write this angle equals to this angle equals to half of AOD, it will not be mistakes. Okay, so let's do here again, and the bisectors of COB BOM. That is, if I will choose this angle, so this vertically opposite will be this. So choose this angle. Don't do it. Or if you will choose this angle, that time vertically opposite will be this. See, this vertically opposite. That's why I will choose this angle now. CON equals to half of COB. Clear? Okay. Now I am going to the upper part. Please pick it in your copy. Dear students, as we know that as AOD equals to COB, just now we wrote it, so put multiplied by half to both sides. We multiplied by half. That is, half of we replace on half of AOD, we replace DOM, and half of COB we replace CON. Clear, dear students? Okay. So now I am going to erase. I am erasing. Now COD equals to COD angles equals to one straight angle. You know the value of straight angle, that is COD equals to 180 degree. Clear? So to get the COD, see, this is the COD angle. So to get the COD is a straight line, we are getting 1, 2, 3 angle. So the angle's name is AOM plus DOM plus AOC. Dear students, are you understanding? This angle plus this angle plus this angle. This. If we will add this triangle, then we will get the COD angles. Okay? 180 degree. Now, we are replacing DOM by CON. These two will be the equal. Clear? Plus, we are replacing CON in DOM. CON plus AOC. That is 180 degree. Then AOM plus C1 plus AOC. See, CON, this angle. Dear students, I lost my duster, that's why I am using my tissue, and I am really extremely sorry for that. CON and AOC. Dear students, see, CON and AOC, total is AON, this angle, total angle, AON. So, instead of these two angles, I can write AON. Clear? Then 180 degree. Then dear students, AOM, these angles and these angles. That is total this angle. This is also be one straight line, isn't it? So, they are straight, or we can write, so MON is equals to one straight line. So, the exterior line OM and ON of AOM and AON are lie on the straight line. Clear? Straight line. So, proved. So, you can write this way. That is, our generalization is what? So, the bisectors of the vertically opposite angles of the vertically opposite angles is a straight line. Is a straight line. Okay, dear students, we have proved that enunciations. Okay, so dear students, hope that whatever we did, it's made clear to you. Now we are going to do our next questions, that is number 5. Okay, now I am going to erase the board. Please pick it in your copy. Okay, dear students, our next question is prove from the adjoining figure that angle x plus angle y equals to 90 degree. We have given one figure in your book, that ones I have drawn on the board, and we have to prove that x plus y, that is angle x plus angle y equals to 90 degree. So let's prove. That is, dear students, to get this full angle, we have to do what? Angle plus angle x plus angle x plus angle y plus angle y equals to 180 degree. Isn't it, dear students? That is x angle, that is 2x angle, y that is 2y angle equals to 180 degree. Okay, then common 2, then y equals to 180 degree. Then angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree divided by 2. Okay, that is 2. Whenever 2 will change the place, change the side, it will make divisions. We know the proper systems of this maths. That is, angle x plus angle y equals to 180 divided by 2. That means it will be 90 degree. So, dear students, we have proved whatever we have given to prove, that we already proved this one. Okay, write it. Write proved over here. So, dear students, by doing this one, we have done our chapter on exercise 6.1, and I hope that whatever I did on this full chapter, everything made clear to you. And like before, I'm saying to you, if you will feel any problem, if you will get any problem to make clear anything of your book of this exercise, please knock it to me. I will try to my best to clear it to you. And in my next class, I am going to start from triangle on chapter 6. Okay, so wait after that time for my class and do practice whatever has given, and be safe, be stay home, be enjoy with your family. Okay, dear students, thank you. Bye-bye.